Just as compassion is the basis as well as the foundation of all sorts or kinds of religion, morality, education in the world, if those things are not backed by the constant practice and exercise of modesty, moderation, humility, gratitude, compassion, understanding from ourselves alongside tolerance, discipline, then those things don't work, then they're worthless. And we are equally meaningless, insignificant, arrogant as well because of our inability to develop and incapacity to exercise kindness, character, humility, humanity, understanding, gratitude, and basically compassion, tolerance, and patience, not only for ourselves in terms of our own weaknesses, shortcomings, deficiencies, which is quite natural for all human beings to experience or to have, but also against the others. We have to be tolerant, patient, even in the face of societal disrespect, outside tyranny, public disrepute, humiliation, oppression, or the whole external unconscious or collective ego, because those things persist anyways, but eventually they will come to the realization of their problems. They might seek reform, or they might be forced to integrate their shadows because of their own individual torments or unbearable suffering, struggle, pain, sadness, conflict, turmoil into their collective lives in one way or another. But they will be confronted with the devil, which is the unconscious or repressed, overlooked, denied content in themselves, which they repeatedly refuse to see and recognize in them. They will be confronted and face to face with all that, and either they will face it with courage, confidence, character, integrate it, embrace it, or they will have to continue to suffer for unnecessary suffering anyways in one way or another because of themselves. So if morality has to be present in all of our teaching, education, knowledge in one way or another, then tolerance, patience, decency, humility, groundedness, humanity, modesty, moderation also have to be there in all areas, aspects, actions, communications in our lives in one way or another, alongside our interactions, because morality is incomplete if it has no compassion, kindness, tolerance, and patience in it. If morality is always devoid of, disconnected, and detached from basically softness, weakness, or humility, or the capacity to be humble, kind, understanding, and merciful towards each other in the society, then that morality automatically loses significance and deteriorates anyways. So it's about drawing the line somewhere, just like art. First, we have to draw the line somewhere, and